Hello everyone, welcome to Full Course Online. In this video, I will show you how to lock a folder in Windows 11 to protect your private files. This method uses folder encryption built into Windows. Let's begin. First, locate the folder you want to protect. Right-click the folder and select Properties. In the Properties window, stay in the General tab. Click the Advanced button. Now check the option Encrypt Contents to secure data. Click OK, then click Apply. Windows will now encrypt the folder. Your files inside the folder will only be accessible from your user account. Now let's take a login from another account. Open the folder which is already encrypted. Open the Word file inside the folder and see that its contents cannot be seen. In the same way, open PDF and image files, and these are also not accessible. This is a simple way to protect sensitive data. And that's how you lock a folder using encryption in Windows.